I have to replay this game because I have a prospect coming to watch the game, and he's not about to watch me lose.
The Rocky Mountains provide the backdrop in Boulder, Colorado.
Okay.
And for the Buffaloes,
It's
they
fine.
are hard to find. The Bulls will get us underway with the opening kickoff.
Ooh, we're about to kick return this.
From inside his own 10, he'll try to help out their field
Never
position.
mind.
Nice job executing all of the assignments as they put a stop to that return at the 22.
Dude, we have this light-skinned quarterback, bro. Russell, bro. I swear you better do something. Oh, what? What happened? Okay, why was he so open? We may just have to do that play again. What actually happened? And I'm finna go for it. Why is it at the 3-yard line? Isn't it at the 2? Yeah. And the 2-pointer's good. And the 2-pointer's good, boy. Okay. Play all offense. Okay. Don't let me cook. Motion. Hike. Psych. Yeah.
Moving out of the pocket. Got out of trouble and throws. Got his man downfield.
Okay. Okay. My QB Zaya Wade is low-key cooking.
Quarterback by himself in the backfield. Looking downfield. It's Wade. He'll throw it. Quarterback just flat.
All right. All right. All right, so we're probably going to throw this to Russ.
Now the play fake.
Not probably. We are.
And they weren't able to make the
Was that picked? Hold up. What? Oh, wait. Oh my. That's a pick. But if they don't want to count it, of course, they don't have to.
An explosive play.
If they don't want to give them the pick, that's fine with me. Yeah, this nigga ass.
Unloads to the wideout.
Ooh! Yeah. Cooking now.
That 55-yard field goal attempt went awry, and now to make matters worse, they'll give it up 1st and 10 at the 38. He's going to let it go. And it was
Oh, I know what play to do.
Play, but the long pass is incomplete.
Well, even though that was an incompletion, I wouldn't be surprised if this secondary wants to start playing deeper coverages, because this offense has shown that they're willing to be aggressive. They've got a lot of speed. This
hey, Russ, cook up.
Plays here in the second half.
Going back to the well, another deep ball. And they wanted it all.
And I'm going to do it again.
They line up, and it is a long way to the sticks from here. He'll take another shot here.
It's so easy with my running back, bro. And I'm about to sim the rest, and I'm about to sim. Actually, with knowing them, they can come back. Actually, no, they can't. We're simming to the end of the game. Okay, yep. Okay, that's fine. They scored one. They scored again, that's fine. Alright, it's whatever. Okay, it's whatever. Yeah. Let's go!
If they win the next one, it's called a winning streak. It's been done before.
And we're seeing the identity of this team come into fruition. Just get the sense they're finding out who they are. What they're about, what they're going to do schematically, and who their big playmakers are.
Which is tough to do, right? It's tough to grow throughout a season and understand.
I cooked, bro. I cooked. Alright, skip this cringy outro. Alright, and we won in front of him. He watched us win too. So we're gonna advance to next week, which hopefully we're not playing no one too hard. His top 3 schools, alright. I'm going to go through this. Oh, he won Player of the Week. Iowa State. Oh, we can beat them. Okay, we're in his top 2. Like, brother. Hey, did it? What? He came and watched us, didn't he? Yeah, he did. Okay. Wait, blowout? It was what if? Oh, we blew him out, so pause. We're his 1. Good. And he has a gym by his name. Nobody's offering this nigga. Okay, he's good. We're tied up, but we are at its 1. We're at his 2. We're at his 3, so we're probably not gonna get him. We're def gonna get him. We're not gonna get him. We might get him. And we're not gonna get him. Okay. I feel like we'll beat them. I'll sim them next week. I don't think we're gonna lose against them. I'll sim. Committed to... What? Where did Oregon come from? Oh wait, I thought it was him. They had the same face scan. Okay. There's still a bit in front of us. Maybe we can schedule a visit, yeah. But he committed to Oregon. Okay, you're gonna definitely enjoy it over there when we beat your guys' butt earlier this next season. Oh my deep. Oh my, Andy was fast. He had good catching. His awareness was but still. You already committed, bro. Okay, fine. F you then. To be honest, we may have a chance, but probably not. Oh my god. I feel like we'll beat them. I'm a sim it too. I don't care. What? Oh my, we're losing them. We're losing them. We're 5-0, and we're losing them. He committed to SC. USC. Oh, I knew it. So now it's you, buddy. You're short for a QB, though. I don't know which one of you guys will be starting. And now we're at your 3, so low-key, we may not even get you, too. We'll def get you. Oh my, don't sign with him. Don't, bro. We have a... He signed with them. He signed with them, of course. He signed with them. Like, you're gonna lose over there. I'm gonna have to get some more good wide receivers on my prospect list. Dude, I only care about wide receivers. I'll offer you. Okay. Now, where's wide receiver? Oh, yeah. So, I know I'm not going to get you. I'm going to offer you, though. And I'm finna send someone to your house. I don't care. I'm also going to offer you. And I'm going to send someone to your house. Okay. I'm also gonna sim this and see how it goes. And I'll probably end this video off. Okay. What? We were so high. Oh my God. He's at USC. He committed to... this man also committed to Oregon. So you're going to be our QB, mister. And he signed with... Oh, flip. No. He was a top 5 and we were his second. He committed. Now you're going to be our best wide receiver, probably. Hey, just go ahead and commit with us already, buddy. We may get you. Oh, wait, we actually have a chance. What? We have a very good chance with him. We already sent someone to his house, too. So... flip you, then. All y'all suck. Y'all gonna go over there and lose. Okay. Are there no good halfbacks? Nope. Okay. Alright. Bye. Mwah. Like, if you liked the video, subscribe. Do what you want. You didn't, leave the video. Dislike it, whatever. Bye.